Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen concentrator. First, ensure your device is placed in a well-ventilated area, at least 6 inches from walls or furniture. Check that the air filter is clean and properly installed. Connect the power cord to a grounded outlet. Now, let's prepare for safe and effective use. Once powered on, you'll hear the device start. Attach your nasal cannula or mask firmly to the oxygen outlet. Next, set the prescribed oxygen flow rate using the control knob or buttons, typically measured in liters per minute. If your unit has a humidifier, fill it with distilled water to the indicated level before attaching it. This prevents dryness. Safety is paramount. Never smoke or use open flames near the concentrator. Clean the air filter at least once a week with warm, soapy water, rinsing thoroughly, and allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Regularly check your tubing and cannula for any blockages or wear and tear. Replace these components every 2 to 4 weeks, or as advised by your healthcare provider. If your concentrator alarms, first check the power connection, tubing for kinks, and the air filter. If issues persist, consult your user manual or contact customer support. Always have a backup plan for power outages, such as a portable oxygen tank. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Consistent use and proper care ensure optimal performance and your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.